Ever wondered if the future, as we imagine it, is already here? It's a world where artificial intelligence isn't some far-off concept, but a reality that we interact with daily. It's in the personalized recommendations that pop up when we shop online, the voice assistants that help us manage our schedules, and the self-driving cars that are revolutionizing the transportation industry. But what if you could create your own AI? A daunting thought, yes, but not an impossible one. The first step to creating your own AI is to get acquainted with the right tools. Now, let's talk about open source tools, the magic wands of AI creation. These tools aren't shrouded in mystery or locked away in some high-tech vault. They're freely available for anyone and everyone to use. Imagine having the power to create, modify, and distribute software, all without the barriers of cost or access. That's the beauty of open source tools. They're the stepping stones to creating your own AI, with communities of coders and developers constantly improving and expanding their capabilities. Key players in this realm include Python, a programming language lauded for its simplicity and versatility, and TensorFlow and PyTorch, frameworks designed specifically for machine learning. They serve as the nuts and bolts of AI creation, allowing you to build, train, and refine your AI models. With these tools in hand, you're ready to dive into the world of AI. Creating AI is like building a house. You need a blueprint, and that blueprint is your algorithm. So what exactly is an AI algorithm? Well, in the simplest terms, it's a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. It's the brain behind your AI, making decisions, learning from data, and improving over time. It's the secret sauce that makes your AI, well, intelligent. Now, there are different types of algorithms used in AI, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Let's take a quick tour. First up, we have supervised learning. Picture a teacher-student scenario. The algorithm or the student is taught using labeled data. It's shown an input and the correct output, and it learns to map the two. This is great for tasks like image recognition or spam detection. Next, we have unsupervised learning. Here, the algorithm is left to its own devices, learning from unlabeled data. It finds patterns and structures all on its own, like a toddler exploring a new playground. It's useful for tasks like market segmentation or anomaly detection. And finally, we have reinforcement learning. Think of it as a game of trial and error, where the algorithm learns from its mistakes and successes. It's often used in robotics, gaming, and navigation. Algorithms are the heart of AI. With a strong understanding of them, you're well on your way to creating your own AI. Now it's time to breathe life into your AI. It's time for training. Picture this. The AI is a newborn, and the data we feed it is the knowledge it needs to understand the world. This process is what we call training. To train an AI, we introduce it to a lot of data. This could be images, text, or numbers. It's like teaching a toddler to recognize shapes and colors. Over time, the AI learns to make sense of this data, to recognize patterns, and to draw conclusions. And the best part? You don't need a degree in computer science to do this. With open source tools, anyone can train an AI. These tools provide the framework, the learning playground for your AI. They are the teachers guiding your AI through the training process. Remember, it's not about how much data you have, but how you use it. Training is a crucial step. It's where your AI learns to think and act. You've done it. You've created your own AI. Just a few moments ago, the idea of developing an artificial intelligence seemed like a distant dream. Now it's a reality, a testament to your perseverance, curiosity, and ingenuity. Let's take a step back and appreciate the journey. You started with open source tools, your magic wand, transforming lines of code into a living, breathing AI. You grappled with understanding AI algorithms, the blueprint of your creation, laying the foundation for what was to come. Then, you trained your AI, the real magic, teaching it to think, learn, and adapt. Depending on how you trained it, your AI could be helping you organize your life, predicting the stock market, or even composing music. The possibilities are endless. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of potential out there, waiting for you to shape it. The future is not just here, it's in your hands. What will you create next?